Hi everyone, I am Karen Archer and I am Gaston County School's Science Curriculum Facilitator for the middle level. Today I would like to share with you testing strategies that embrace the use of key vocabulary words that are in multiple choice questions. When reading a multiple choice question, it is important that you identify and analyze the key word or words in the question stem. The prefix, suffix, and images associated with the vocabulary word or words in the question stem can help you as a learner identify the correct answer. Let me demonstrate this for you. Here is a multiple choice question on the 8th grade unit, the hydrosphere. Question: how can the atmosphere be considered part of the hydrosphere? Answer options. A. It is a source of water. B. It blocks ultraviolet rays from the sun. C. It contains oxygen necessary for life. D. It traps pollutants that would otherwise harm the earth. First, let's focus on the question stem. How can the atmosphere be considered part of the hydrosphere? Let's consider the key vocabulary words in this question stem. In this example, the key words are atmosphere and hydrosphere. Now, what comes to your mind when you think of the atmosphere? Well, for me, I think of gases. The atmosphere protects us from radiation, right? I also think of water. Now, what comes to your mind when you think of the hydrosphere? The prefix hydro means water. Therefore, if the atmosphere must be considered part of the hydrosphere, it means that it must contain water. So now let's go back and look at the answer options. A. It is a source of water. B. It blocks ultraviolet rays from the sun. C. It contains oxygen necessary for life. And D. It traps pollutants that would otherwise harm the earth. The only answer that relates to water is A, right? A. It is a source of water. It is very important that before you choose your answer, that you eliminate the distractors, which are in this case options B, C, and D. While B, C, and D are true statements related to the atmosphere blocks ultraviolet rays from the sun. It contains oxygen necessary for life. It traps pollutants that would otherwise harm the earth. The question is asking about the relationship between the atmosphere and the hydrosphere. We know that the atmosphere contains water and the hydrosphere speaks to water. Options B, C, and D do not speak to water, so they must be eliminated. Before moving on to another multiple choice question, ask yourself, is option A in this case really the answer? Can I justify this? The answer is yes, because the atmosphere is considered a part of the hydrosphere as it contains water. If you are sure of this answer, then do not hesitate to choose it. Now, it is your turn to apply testing strategies that embrace the use of key vocabulary words or words in your question or questions. Remember, you must first identify and analyze the keywords in the question stem. Go find some multiple choice questions now and have fun applying the strategies you were just taught.